কিসের কুসুম? লজ্জা লাগে না? গান্ডে পিণ্ডে আপনি এই মুহূর্তে গিলবেন, গান্ডে পিণ্ডে ভারতের খাবেন, ভারতের থালা ফুটো করবেন, বেরিয়ে যান। বেরিয়ে যান যদি আপনার মনে হয় আপনি সেকুলার। আর জবাব চাই বাংলা থেকে বেরিয়ে যান, কাল দেশ থেকে বেরিয়ে যান। Isn't it a threat?
And he is saying before the court that he has been threatened by the.
Who is there? You were there, Mr. Banerjee.
Yes.
The report has been prepared as if they want prompt action. The
Absolutely.
de facto complaint is not the petitioner over here. The report is in the nature that the de facto complaint wants prompt investigation.
No,
You see the contents of the report.
I've seen that. I've seen that. I'll come with a further report. But Lordship, kindly consider. After perusing the Lord, he's anchoring. Everybody has seen through Malad media.
No, that
He's
is not-
anchoring pose. He is pose of anchoring, and he is a provocator. Malad, Lordship should not entertain this application. Should not.
Every news channel
Yes.
You will say
right to comment on
Mr.
this.
Kusum.
quoting the
He's
claim by
his anchoring should be
You will be
seized.
insulting us.
Seized by the
You will
authority.
insult our
You
feelings.
want to scuttle my anchoring. That's the entire point.
That all seculars should
Hey,
get out of
freedom of speech should go to. Sir,
Somebody
This
challenge
is
the
the-
constitution.
Para 11.
This is called reporter.
The reporting
This is a
somebody
very
will
same,
say
very
that
same Milord.
secularism should be out of the constitution.
And who is he? Why weightage will be
Our
given?
feelings. We are hard.
No, weightage will be given.
We secular people
35(3)
of
notice
India,
has
we
been
are
given. Let him go. Let him go to the investigation. Cooperate with the investigation.
Ingredients will not be out. Ingredients will not be out. All this hyperbolic language will not.
is which
But
police-
kindly, Milord,
1 minute.
your Lordship, kindly see.
একই বৃন্দের
Today-
দুটি কুসুম, কিসের কুসুম? লজ্জা লাগে না? গান্ডে পিণ্ডে আপনি এই মুহূর্তে গিলবেন, গান্ডে পিণ্ডে ভারতের খাবেন, ভারতের থালা ফুটো করবেন, বেরিয়ে যান। বেরিয়ে যান যদি আপনার মনে হয় আপনি সেকুলার। আর জবাব চাই বাংলা থেকে বেরিয়ে যান, কাল দেশ থেকে বেরিয়ে যান। Isn't this a threat?
And he is saying before the court that he has been threatened by
The
the.
job of the reporter.
He has been threatened by the police.
But what is the threat? I'm not able to understand how they are threatened by this.
Let's go out of the
He has
country.
only said that if this is the kind of secularism you leave, he's not said he's going to throw
By
you
the-
out. He doesn't have the power to throw you out like the state of West Bengal.
And he will get up at one time.
Get
No,
out of the
certainly
country.
not.
They're proud to be Indian.
Vicky,
And his anchoring is reporting should be ceased.
Huh?
Eliminate.
So what is difference between Iqbalpur case and the Bidhannagar case? Tell me.
So it's the same, my lord, this
Violent.
same allegation.
Before your Lordship, when he has come before this honorable court, the 35(3) notice.
No, but you cannot. One thing on the first day when the first application was moved, on the same contents, if there are thousands or lakhs of FIR, I said that give it to the centralized agency. Let them do that. You cannot expect a
But your Lordship should not give any protection to him.
that I will consider.
My lord,
Then-
my lord.
Then
But he is the person, everybody.
that I will consider as a hearing matter, as I'll consider. But then from
And we want to learn secular from that Moikaranjan.
you tell me one thing, I have already-
What?
Nobody should not appear for him. Nobody should not appear.
all right, you do
Yes, please don't do that. That's contrary to the Bar Council for you to make that statement. It's contrary to the Advocates Act. Don't say nobody should appear for you. Everybody has the right to appear.
Thank
And
you.
I challenge the constitution.
Nobody should appear for him.
Not adding these sections.
He should be thrown out. He should be thrown out from India.
And that is your intolerance. That is precisely your intolerance.
Yes, yes, Mr. Malani. Get Malani.
You can't take a converse opinion to yours.
Can't help him. Who is actually
That is the poverty of your thinking.
You are
That if
telling-
somebody says something that this is not secularism, all he has said, in sum and substance, what he has said is this is not secularism, and this is the secularism. You should leave the country. There's nothing else, and that's an opinion which he's entitled to have.
Yes.
You may not like it, you may not
Yeah.
be able to swallow it, but that is the law of this country. There's freedom of expression, and you can't throttle it, nor can the government.
Speech and expression protects.
So you are
Secular.
spoiling the court, sir.
Run secular from you.
All of you are spoiling the dignity of the High
Lordship,
Court.
kindly consider one aspect.
No,
Can this
sir, you cannot on the same incident, 1,000 if
No, I'm not on that, my lord. I'm asking whether this is an cognizable offense or not.
that
I'm on that.
I will consider. I have said finally. But the thing remains, if there are 1,000 FIRs, bring it to a one central point.
That your
We will
lordship can.
consider regarding the intrinsic
is my
value of the letter of complaint afterwards. There's a simple thing I said on the last occasion.
That will, but without giving any protection.
And first bring it to a centralized wherever.
Let me first bring the information that how many FIRs are there. Madam.
And
Now they have themselves come to know of two, there may be a one or two more. There will not be 1,000, madam. I understand it's a ballpark figure you're referring to. It will be something.
that happened in Vinod Dua's case. Earlier date I gave.
Swami's case.
It happened in